Good morning guys and welcome to today's vlog. As you guys can tell, we started decorating. I wanted to get this done before Vlogmas. Last year during Vlogmas I had so many things that I had to do on a daily basis and decorating ended up happening so late. If I get it all done before Vlogmas, I'll just be able to enjoy the holiday, hopefully. Knock on wood. Now no one's here. Sebastian and I started decorating 2 nights ago and then we put the garland up last night. I honestly wish I never made this garland because every year it's so difficult for me to get it adjusted. So I have part of it done so far. The lights are not plugged in, but I have up until here done, and then down here I have to kind of go through and adjust the ribbon and all the ornaments. And this was such a nightmare. I was having a total meltdown last night. It was all like twisted around and tangled. And then all of these baubles that I put on here are glass. So I always have to be super gentle because obviously they can break. I was adjusting it and then an ornament fell off, and I might actually have a clip of Sebastian cleaning it up because I was sitting on the stairs like, I'm done with this. After that, I ended up finding another bauble that was exactly the same. Just by dumb luck, I actually had another one. Next year, I think what I want to do is I want to completely replace the garland, but I don't have anything else to put on the stairs there. Well, I kind of do. Where is it? I bought this flocked garland in one of my last vlogs, this one down here. But the problem with that is I have like so many different themes going on here right now with my flocked artificial tree. But this one goes into the dining room when I get my like actual tree. So we always like rearrange the living room so that we can have the tree in that corner. So I do have that garland that I could theoretically put on the stairs, but because the garland on the fireplace is not flocked, I feel like it would not look good with the 2 garlands next to each other. For now, the one that I made is gonna have to do. It's not that I don't like it, like I actually love this garland. I love the ribbon and the ornaments and stuff. The only problem is that it's really difficult to get it to look nice because it's obviously homemade, or not homemade, but handmade. I'm gonna add in some footage of Sebastian and I decorating the tree from the other night. It was really cute. We had like a Hallmarky night. We made some cookies and then decorated this tree. Roll the montage. Got last year. We bought it from Michael's. I wish I could make my real tree look like this. We tried last year by adding flock, and we're gonna do the same thing this year, but it didn't end up looking this flocked. Like this is just, it looks like this is from a wintry forest somewhere. We have to tidy up and get some stuff put away. My sister comes here for a doctor's appointment on Tuesday, and then my mom's coming on Wednesday. So we have to have the house kind of put together by then. The next 2 days are probably gonna be pretty busy, and I'd also like to have the house like almost completely decorated so that I'm not stressing during December or during Vlogmas about having to still do certain things. Actually, we're so on the ball this year. I think last year it was like the 22nd by the time that Sebastian got the Christmas lights up outside, but he put them up a couple days ago. So our outdoor Christmas lights are completely done. So we've got a lot done. I'm very happy about that. I'm just hoping that we can keep the momentum going. So it's a little bit later now. Oh, lighting's better there. I've been testing out some table settings to see what I want to do this year because I didn't really end up doing anything special last year. This is just very temporary. Everything needs to be cleaned. These actually have flock in them from the flock that flew into the air when we did our tree last year. So I'm gonna throw all this stuff away and fill it with some new stuff. I actually have the same exact branches, like a ton of boxes of this stuff. So I could use the same vase filler if I wanted, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually leave it like this. I kind of am over the whole large hurricane style vase. I don't know, I'm just like not as much into them, and also it kind of takes up a lot of space on the table. I did manage to find a little bit of a solution for the fact that this table runner is so long. I've got them safety pinned right now, and I might actually safety pin them again so that they close better. I don't know. Just until I add the middle leaf back into this table, I guess depending on how much we accomplish with the decorating and if we get it all done before December, I might decide to paint the top of this table. I love this table. I think it's really cute. I really love the whole farmhouse look. I just never was a fan of the top of this table. I'd love to have it all one color. So it's a little bit later now. We're at the mall, and this is a mall we don't typically go to, and we're gonna go see if they have something there for my mom. I guess I could just say it because I'm probably going to tell her not to watch my vlogs, although maybe that would make her tempted to. Oh, I want to see what she's getting me. No, my mom's not like that. I just got ready in the car, surprise, surprise, and it is absolutely miserable out. It was nice on the way here, and then all of a sudden Sebastian's like, oh, the sky looks really weird, and I was like, yeah, it almost looks stormy. And then a few seconds later, it starts pouring like buckets. Great, so we actually have to park outside. This is the first time I've ever been at a mall on Black Friday. The lighting's not great, but we just made it to Crate & Barrel, hoping that we'll actually find the thing that we're here looking for. Knowing my luck, I won't find it.
What are we looking for again?
But the same thing we have, the marble utensil holder.
Oh yeah.
My mom asked me, she said she's like the worst when it comes to Christmas. I'll ask her what she wants, and she's like, I don't need anything. I'm trying to downsize for when I move, which there's no like set date for when she's gonna move, but she keeps talking about moving. But she said that she needs a new utensil holder, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get her the same one I have, which is the marble one, and then get her a marble paper towel holder as well, and maybe like even a marble salt dish like I have. What else do I have that's marble?
It's like...
That's a pastry board.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not getting her a pastry board. She doesn't bake. Their Christmas setup is really cute. They have like red stockings. These are beautiful. These remind me of the stockings they had last year that I actually ended up ordering after Christmas, and they were discounted like crazy. I think I got them for, I want to say they're about $10 each, and I think originally they were like $60. So I got an amazing deal on them, and I got a tree skirt as well. Tree skirt was $20 or something. Originally I think it was almost $200. But these stockings are really cute. And if you're a kid, you probably love this because look at how fun and whimsical all this stuff is. I love this sofa. This is the sofa that Sebastian and I want to get next, but we want to wait until we're living somewhere where we can get a really big one. So comfy, hey? This wrapping paper is so pretty. Look at how sparkly it is. It matches my nails. Look, it matches my nails perfectly. I love glittery wrapping paper, but it's a nightmare to wrap. And one year I ended up having to use a glue gun. It would not hold in place with any of the tape that comes with it. Love everything. This is adorable. I found them. Oh, awesome. They have the paper towel holder right next to it. Oh, I love fondue. We've never even filmed us having fondue.
No?
No, we should do it over the holidays. Our new thing is fondue, and we always do like raclette over the holidays, but we've fallen in love with fondue, and we have so many great recipes. So maybe sometime this holiday season we'll show you how we throw our little, well, it's not a fondue party because it's just Sebastian and I, but it's so much fun. I love it. We just got home. Sorry if it's loud. Sebastian's filling up the pot. We're making some dinner, and don't get excited. I'm not gonna be showing some like cool recipe. Like I said, I'm gonna save those for during Vlogmas because I know there will be days where I won't have a lot of content and I'll wanna show you guys something. But we got back from the mall. We grabbed the things that we needed, which was awesome. And I got a couple other things, so I'll show you guys right now. So I grabbed one other thing from Crate & Barrel that I wanna show you guys. It is this garland, so I think I'm going to try to add this to the artificial tree tonight. I grabbed two because I don't actually know how long they are, but these are like the same material that my stockings and my table runner and other tree skirt are made out of. So hopefully it'll all kind of tie together because that tree will be going in the dining room, and that's where I have the table runner. And then I'm going to hang those stockings that I got that are in the same fabric somewhere else, like in this vicinity. So for dinner, we're making pierogies, and this has been a staple for us lately since I've been on the beige diet. If you guys watched my last video, you'll know what I'm talking about. So we've been eating a lot of things like pierogies, just because they're A, very fast, B, super delicious, and C, beige. I'm just gonna start making them, and I'll do a little bit of a montage. There's not a lot of instructions that come along with making pierogies. done. So basically exactly what you see. Pierogies, sauteed onions, green onions, sour cream, butter, and salt and pepper. With dinner, we're watching The Christmas Chronicles. This is a Netflix original movie and we had started it last night, but we were both getting really tired and Sebastian was falling asleep. So we turned it off and we're gonna finish it now. So these are our Christmas lights. And then funny, nothing else. We're the only ones who put up our lights.
First ones.
First ones. Just trying to check it off our list. We are now at Michael's. We decided last minute that we wanted to come and see if they had any good sales on the ornaments before Black Friday is over, and because I do want to add a few more things to the tree, especially ribbon. Although I did pick up the garland today, I think I still might want to add ribbon. As of now, if this is like what's going on with the ornaments, then this is the same price I paid the other day, so Black Friday doesn't really count. But yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, we finished the movie so good. If you guys have watched it or if you guys are going to, let me know in the comments below. I was like crying at the end. Sebastian was also tearing up. He never likes to admit it. Yeah, but it was really good. I really enjoyed it. I feel like it's almost classic watch every year level. Maybe if I watch it again, I'll be able to be more definitive of that. But right now I'm kind of like on the fence about it, but I really did like it. Michael's was such a fail. I was so excited about going there and grabbing more like large baubles, but I think I will do that closer to Christmas because I know they'll go on sale. Today they had the exact same prices on all the ornaments that they had the other day when I grabbed the ornaments that I have in my tree right now. So all I got were these 2 boxes of these large rose gold glass baubles, and I'm going to stuff them in the large like spaces in the tree, if that makes sense. So like wherever you can see the back of the tree, that's where I'm going to stuff them. And then hopefully by Christmas you won't see any of the spaces where the tree is exposed, or like the base of the tree is exposed. Let's check out what these garlands from Crate & Barrel look like. How do they have this? Whoa, did you feel that?
What?
The ground was like...
Me sitting down?
Are you that heavy?
Maybe.
No, I don't think it's you.
I ate a lot of gingerbread today.
I don't think it was you. This looks like a big ball of yarn. I like. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of just braided yarn. Feels really nice. I'm gonna add this to the tree. I got 2 of them. I feel like I might need a 3rd though. And it was like regular $10.95 for a garland, and on sale it was only $7. Ta-da! Okay, and you guys saw the stuff I got at Crate & Barrel. If I add this to the tree tonight, I will show you guys. If not, you'll see in the next vlog. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog for the night. I just finished adding the ornaments onto the tree. I really like how it looks. I could probably add like another 8 and that would probably be like the perfect amount. But right now it's really coming together. I also added the garland. It's a little too short to have it going all the way around the tree, so I might have to buy like 1 or 2 more strands of it, but so far I really like it. This is what it looks like. You can see where I added the large rose gold ornaments, and I think they look really nice, especially hidden in the tree because they stand out so much. And this is obviously the garland. I still need to get a tree topper. I think I'm gonna grab a star from Target. But yeah, this is the tree. And I also managed to get the stairs done. Don't mind the mess. I still have to clean up everything. But I finally finished the stairs, which I'm super happy about because this is always something that takes a lot of effort. Ugh, I'm so sneezy. The dust that comes off of the flocked tree just like triggers my allergies or something because I can't stop sneezing right now. And I feel like I'm gonna sneeze again. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye guys.